moments later.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do some real world testing and it's coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to No Pros RC. Enemies.
Okay guys, welcome back. So here we got some obstacles that I'm going to put her through some paces on this stone gravel here, and we'll see how she does. That's a lot of noise to not go nowhere. Okay, enough fun here. Let's take it to the real deal, which is down here yonder. And let's see how she does on the bigger stuff. Pretty much the same as the RCX24. They do about the same. Nice recovery. Now let's see if we can get ourselves out of this situation. Got our first marks. Another good recovery. Okay guys, so there you have it for how she does in the real world on the rocks. Stay tuned to see how she does in the sand and on the trail. I'd like to thank you guys for taking your valuable time to watch this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that like button to help the YouTube algorithm know that this is a pretty decent video and people should check it out, especially RC enthusiasts. Don't forget to drop that, well, don't forget to also tap that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. So stay tuned, because we are going to pit the SCX24 by Axel and this guy to see how they do side by side, and maybe even a drag race or two. That should be coming up soon. She's already got her battle scars, but it's all good. That's what we bought her for, right? All right, so I'm not gonna hold you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm not sure what that's going to be yet, but stay tuned. And as always, y'all be easy. Thanks again for watching. Peace.